Okay, so the first thing you need to tie-dye is gloves. You're also going to need a t-shirt, rubber bands, a Ziploc bag, baking pans, squeeze bottles with the dye. Fold or twist your shirt and add rubber bands. Next, you will mix the dye in the squeeze bottles. Add the dye to the shirt after that. Make sure to get good saturation, but don't oversaturate because the colors will mix together and get muddy. Once you are finished, put the shirt in a Ziploc bag and wait a few hours. It can be anywhere from 6 to 8 hours or even overnight. The longer you keep it, the more the color will stay in the clothes. When you're ready to wash, you rinse out the shirt and cut the rubber bands from it. Then you will throw it in the wash with a small amount of soap on a warm level.